Seconds can save lives, and AI is making every second count. Welcome to Ecotech. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming emergency response systems. How AI is used. AI helps dispatchers prioritize 911 calls, predict resource needs, and even locate incidents using real-time data. It analyzes audio from calls to detect stress, urgency, or violence, helping responders make faster, smarter decisions. Examples in action. In Denmark, an AI model correctly identified cardiac arrest during emergency calls more accurately than human dispatchers. Cities like New York and London use predictive AI to deploy police and EMS where they're most likely needed, before a call even comes in. Drones with AI can locate people during disasters or monitor wildfires and floods in real time. Why it matters. Traditional systems rely on human judgment under pressure. AI adds data-driven precision, helping save lives faster and reduce false alarms. In mass casualty events, AI helps coordinate across agencies and prioritize response. Ethical considerations. Can we trust AI to make life or death decisions? What if it misinterprets data? Who's accountable if AI gets it wrong? AI isn't replacing first responders. It's becoming their most powerful partner. Subscribe to at Ecotech and stay ahead of the tech shaping tomorrow's safety.